Привет.
Hi everyone,
Cylinder MCM.
this is the MCM cylinder, Spanish lock.
Импрессионный ключ.
This is a lockpick for it. It works with a cut foil all thickness.
В основном в один слой.
Usually we put the foil in one layer, but if it does not open, then you can apply the foil with 2 layers and try again.
Нажимаем резко, бодро.
We press hard, vigorously, that is with a good load and sharply.
Ну, вот,
well, I've fallen into a trap.
Можно попробовать еще одним слоем.
I can try again with one layer of foil, but I'll try with 2 layers.
Двумя слоями, соответственно, время открытия занимает в 2 раза
With
больше.
the 2 layers, respectively, the opening time will be twice as long. The price of the tool you can find on our website. A link and phone number are under this
Цена на
video.
инструмент будет на сайте, ссылки, телефоны, все будет на видео.